Did you know your gut controls far more than just digestion? A damaged gut can lead to bloating, fatigue, skin issues, weak immunity, and even mood swings. But the good news is, your body already knows how to heal itself. You just need to give it the right support. In today's video, we'll walk through simple and natural ways to detox your gut, repair the gut lining, and bring your digestive system back to life. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove harmful foods. The first step to healing your gut is removing the foods that are damaging it. Processed junk food, too much sugar, fried snacks, and artificial drinks can feed harmful bacteria inside your stomach. These bad bacteria create inflammation and weaken your gut lining. Try replacing packaged snacks with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Also, reduce excess dairy and gluten for a few days to see how your body responds. Sometimes the biggest healing begins with what you stop eating.
Step 2. Add probiotic foods. Now it's time to rebuild the good bacteria. Your gut needs healthy microbes to digest food properly and protect your immune system. Start adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, fermented vegetables, kimchi, or homemade pickles. These foods increase the good bacteria population and help restore balance in your digestive tract. A healthy gut microbiome means less bloating, better digestion, and improved energy. Step 3. Feed the good bacteria. Good bacteria also need food to survive. That's where fiber and prebiotics come in. Foods like bananas, garlic, onions, oats, apples, and flax seeds act as fuel for your gut bacteria. When good bacteria are fed properly, they multiply and push out harmful microbes. This creates a cleaner, healthier gut environment naturally. Think of it like watering healthy plants so weeds can't grow. Step 4. Hydration and herbal support. Water is one of the most powerful natural detox tools. Drinking enough water helps flush toxins, improve bowel movements, and support nutrient absorption. Start your morning with warm water and lemon. You can also add ginger tea, peppermint tea, or fennel tea to soothe digestion. These herbs reduce inflammation and help your gut relax. Simple habits like this can make a huge difference over time. Step 5. Reduce stress. Your gut and brain are deeply connected. Stress can directly damage your digestion. When you're anxious, your stomach often reacts with bloating, cramps, or irregular bowel movements. That's why gut healing isn't only about food. Take time for deep breathing, better sleep, walking, and short meditation. Even 10 minutes of calm every day can help your gut repair faster. A peaceful mind supports a healthy stomach. Step 6. Closing CTA. Healing your gut naturally doesn't happen overnight, but with the right foods, hydration, good bacteria, and stress control, your body can repair itself beautifully. Start small. One healthy meal, one probiotic food, and one calming habit each day. Your gut will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs better gut health. Stay healthy, stay natural, and I'll see you in the next video.